Hello everybody, I thought for this year's Christmas videos that I would do the 12 chords of Christmas. Today is just the introduction of what I'm going to do. So they're going to be short quick videos, nice short and quick ones. So stay tuned for the 12 chords of Christmas. Thank you everybody for all your help and support this year. If anybody's out there who plays the guitar, please let me know in the comments box below. If you've got a channel, please let me know. That we could be nice tonight. See what videos you've done. Great to get your feedback. Spread the word and the love to all guitar players out there in the world. Cheers.